Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on see this is gigabyte.com and this is search box. Just click on it and enter your model number of motherboard Z790S Wi-Fi DDR4. Then enter hit DDR4. Then enter hit enter. Then you can see there are two. So both same. Just click first. Click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 11. Okay, so both if you are using any but installations process same, select any, no. So guys, W line means Wi-Fi driver. So this is Intel Wi-Fi. So when you click to download now, it will start downloading. Here I already downloaded this one. Just single click to open and double click exe, and then yes. Install and close it.